is real cute. I like this. What do y'all think? Alright, so we're gonna start with our moisturizer. I'm gonna go in with the Milk Moisturizer. This is great if you have dry skin like me. Okay. And then today we are going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Mattifying Primer. This stuff dries down very quickly, so when you apply, you want to apply it and rub it in quickly, you know. Okay, so now that we have that, we are going to do a pretty simple look, kind of neutral. I really just wanted to do something fun for the new year. I'm not going bold. I'm gonna do a really neutral look. Maybe with a pop of color, but really just like simple. No bold, no crazy, nothing. So let's do eyebrows first. This is the Perfect Eyebrow Pencil. I got this from the Beauty Supply store. Okay, so for foundation, I am going to use my NARS Soft Matte Foundation today. You guys know this is a great matte foundation. If you are my shade twin, this is in Iguacu Deep 3. And yeah, God, my brows came out really well. Okay. Okay, sis. All right, so today, to take it old school, we're going in with the NYX Ultimate Utopia. So, let me give you guys a look. Okay, so if you're new to makeup, you want to start with a couple of things. You want to use a flat brush. And excuse, I need to clean my brushes today, but you want to use a flat end brush, and that's mainly for this part of the eye. And then you want to get a blending brush somewhere around this size, or a flat blending brush, which is something like around this size. You can use all three, you can use one or two, but those are the ones you want. So we're gonna do neutral. Ooh, I want some eyeshadow creams. Actually, okay, so we're gonna start, I think I want green. I think I'm gonna use this color, this color, this color possibly, and maybe this color. I'm not sure, but I think I want to use green in the base of it today. So we're gonna take this brush. I use the brown first. I'm just gonna go right here. Same thing with this eye. And I'm not going too high. The good thing is when you use concealer under your brow, it creates that highlighted color already, so you don't want to go any higher than that. I used to, when I first started wearing makeup, I would be all up on my brow, but to get that clean cut between the highlighting shade from the concealer and then the actual makeup, you don't want to go, you just want to go right into like where your bone, the eye socket bone is, and same on the side. All right, so with the flat blending brush, we're gonna go in with this green here, and we're gonna go right at the bottom, and I'm gonna pack it on. I'm not gonna brush it, I'm just gonna pack it in. Same thing on the side. Just packing it in, pat, pat, pat. And that's it. And then I'm gonna take this blending brush and I'm just gonna do a quick blend with that brown again, just to make sure it blends well. And same thing on the side. Now you could go in with a shimmer if you wanted to, or you can keep it simple like this and maybe add like another color in the inner eye, the inner corner. I can't decide if I want to do it in a color. I don't want a shimmer, but I am gonna take that brown I mentioned earlier, this light brown right here. So I use this brown, I use that green, I'm gonna use that to do like the inner part of my eye. And for that, you want a flat brush, something like this, or if you have something smaller, you can do here it is. Or you can do this brush. So I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna okay. So I am going to wear some magnetic lashes. This is a new set, or not really new, I just haven't worn them. This is by Ardell magnetic lashes. You guys know I do not wear real lashes. In the packaging, it comes with a magnetic gel liner, a brush, and then you have the lashes in the set. So we are gonna, okay. Oh, I like this a lot. So this is actually really cool because it's not like the liquid, so I have better control of the liner. Okay. Okay. Okay, same thing. I feel like I'm not placing them in the right way. Like, I thought they would be longer, so they're throwing me off because I use so much of that gel. Let's see. Okay, that's fine. So to wrap this look up, I didn't do any under eye concealer. Lord. Okay. I still have more face. Okay. Under eye concealer. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Okay. Now, if you want, you could use setting powder. I'm not, just because I'm gonna end up changing my look again later on today. But if you wanted this to be your final look, you can use setting powder. This is the setting powder. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Medium Deep. So you could do setting powder. I am not, but that is the next step if you want to kind of set the concealer under your eye. So next, we are gonna go right in with my bronzer. This is Mented Cosmetics Out of Office. And I'm not gonna take a lot, but we're gonna take a little bit and we're just gonna brush it up. Just to bring a little warmth back to the face. And that's it. And you could go up top if you wanted to, you don't have to, but you have that option. And lastly, we are gonna go in with the Becca Cosmetics Rose Gold Highlighter. All right. Alright, so I'm gonna for lips, we're gonna go in. This is the Maybelline number 85 Protector. And while that dries, we are going to use Modish, which is a neutral nude. Okay, y'all. How do we feel? If you want to set it, this is the new Revolution Makeup Revolution London Fixing Setting Spray with cannabis sativa. It smells great, so you can try this. I'm not gonna set my face, but this is the look, y'all. Like, this is real cute. I like this. What do y'all think? How do we feel? Okay, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy new year. As always, thank you guys for sharing, supporting, liking, commenting. I genuinely appreciate it. I am super excited for 2021 and what this channel is going to evolve into. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are new here. Welcome to the family. We do all things faith, lifestyle, and beauty. And I promise I'm going to do more faith-based and more lifestyle stuff now that things have been changing around here. I have more space to do some really cool filming. So thank you all for watching and supporting. As always, I hope you guys are well. I love you all, and until next time, be well, do well, and be safe.